Welcome to my cat appreciation video. Woo! Meow! 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 So the next few photos are of this cat. His name is Waffles, and he actually has a Tumblr and a Twitter, so I'll post those links on this video. He's so cute! So, when I found this picture, I thought this cat was the coolest cat ever. I mean, come on, just look at it. But then I saw the real picture, and yeah. So this is a little disclaimer saying that the cat photos in this video are not mine. Yeah, sadly I don't have any cats of my own because my mom's sort of scared of them. Anyways, I give complete photo credit to those who actually own them, and the background music is, I believe, called Heart and Soul. Thank you for watching!